Why hello everyone, and welcome back to Checkpoint. I'm Caleb Womack.
And I'm Riley Nauer.
The biggest news drop ever has recently just happened, and this may be even bigger than when the Mayans had the end of the world all planned out. In fact, I can confirm the Mayans were right because we are now living in an eternal purgatory.
That's right, Caleb. You may be asking why, but Nintendo has provided an answer that will absolutely make you agree with us. During this September's Nintendo Direct, many new games were announced coming to the Nintendo Switch. A few highlights include Bayonetta 3, Splatoon 3, and a fully 3D Kirby, which hasn't happened since the Nintendo 64. And speaking of Nintendo 64, a new roster of N64 and even Sega Genesis games will be playable, with a new Nintendo Switch Online expansion pack account. The price is yet to be revealed for this new package, but we can say playing classic games from this era will definitely be worth it.
But now it's the moment you've been waiting for. During the Direct, the main man himself, Shigeru Miyamoto, came out in a surprise visit to reveal the cast of the upcoming Mario movie animated by Illumination. You know, the studio with the funny banana minions? That Illumination. They will be making the first official Mario movie set to release in December of 2022. Here's just a glimpse at Nintendo's latest dumpster fire. Chris Pratt as Mario,
Anya Taylor-Joy as Peach,
Charlie Day as Luigi,
Jack Black as Bowser,
Keegan-Michael Key as Toad,
Seth Rogen as Donkey Kong,
Charles Martinet, the voice actor for Mario since the N64 era, making cameo appearances for some reason,
and more, such as Kevin Michael Richardson as Kamek,
Fred Armisen as Cranky Kong,
and Sebastian Maniscalco as Spike.
See, Riley, I knew the Mayans were correct about the end of the world. We truly are living in a weird timeline of events.
Weird, but thrilling, Caleb.
I definitely agree. This all-star cast will definitely shock us all. I gotta say, I've never been more confused about a movie after the cast was revealed than when I didn't know anything at all. But that's not a bad thing, because December 2022 can't come any sooner. I hope you're excited, Riley, because I sure am.
I am as well, Caleb, but what do you think? Are you dazzled by the star-studded cast? Would you prefer that they hire actual voice actors to voice these iconic characters? How do you feel about there being a new Mario movie in the first place? Let us know in the comments down below.
For all your entertainment, tech, and pop culture news, subscribe to Byte BSU and keep up to date with us on Checkpoint.
I couldn't say the name Richardson. I got
And then you went back to your Kamek way.
Maniscalco thing, but I didn't get Richardson.
That was funny. Yeah, I was like, you mispronounced Richardson, but then you just got Maniscalco first try with ease.